Welcome to our mini drone showdown. Today, we're comparing two exciting options in the world of drones. The Ovally mini drone with its stunning 1080p HD camera and the SIMREX X300C mini drone featuring a 720p HD camera. Both drones come with unique features that cater to different users, whether you're a beginner or an experienced flyer. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. The Ovally mini drone boasts a high-quality 1080p HD camera, providing clear and detailed images, making it ideal for capturing stunning aerial footage. In contrast, the SIMREX X300C features a 720p HD camera, which, while still functional, may not deliver the same level of detail. If high-resolution photography is a priority for you, the Ovally mini drone is the clear winner in this category. When it comes to portability, the SIMREX X300C mini drone takes the lead with its foldable design, making it easy to carry around and store. Weighing only 0.245 kilograms, it's perfect for on-the-go users. The Ovally mini drone, while compact, does not have a foldable feature, which may limit its portability. For those who prioritize convenience and ease of transport, the SIMREX X300C is the better choice. Price is always a crucial factor when making a purchase. The Ovally mini drone is priced at $79, reflecting its advanced features and camera quality. On the other hand, the SIMREX X300C is more budget-friendly at $59, making it an attractive option for those looking for a decent drone without breaking the bank. If you're on a tight budget, the SIMREX X300C offers great value for money. In conclusion, both the Ovally mini drone and the SIMREX X300C mini drone have their strengths and weaknesses. The Ovally shines with its superior camera quality and advanced features, while the SIMREX offers portability and affordability. Depending on your needs and budget, either drone could be the right choice for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.